Hello, my most amazing artist. Today in this art class, we are going to make these beautiful vegetable puppets. So, you all are excited? So, let's get started. For making these beautiful vegetable puppets, I have taken the printout of this potato. You can draw yourself also. So, potato, what we call in Hindi? Can you all tell me? In Hindi, we called it aloo. And here I am using oil pastel color for coloring. I am using the printout of these lady fingers. And in Hindi what we call it? Can you tell me? Huh? Yeah, right. In Hindi we called it bhindi. So you like it na? I am overwriting and making it dark. And for filling color, I am using watercolor. It's your wish. You want to use watercolor, then you can, or else you can choose any medium. If you are using watercolor and sometimes your color goes out, then it's very easy to rectify it. You just use tissue paper and dab it. Now I have taken the printout of this cabbage. Do you know in Hindi what we called it? We called it. Oh, I forgot. Can anybody tell me what we called it in Hindi? Yeah, right. It's patta gobi. So, after cabbage, I have taken this bitter gourd. You know what we called it in Hindi? Yes, Karela. We called it in Hindi Karela. Do you like Karela? No, it's bitter now, so that's why its name is bitter gourd. Have you all noticed what I am doing? My color goes out and I am just rectifying my color. I have taken water on my brush and I am pouring a little bit water on the color, and with the help of tissue paper I am removing the extra color from the sheet. In this way you can rectify your drawing if your color comes out. Once you are done with your coloring, just cut your vegetable printouts like the way I am cutting. Have you noticed while I am cutting, I am not moving my scissor, I am just moving my page. So, in this way, you can cut your vegetables or you can take help from your elders. I am just highlighting all the vegetables and making it more attractive. For decorating my vegetables, I have apply glue on some part of the vegetables, and after applying the glue I am just pouring or sprinkling the glitter on the vegetables to decorate my vegetables. It's optional, it's your wish. If you want to decorate your vegetables like that, you can, otherwise you can skip this. In the same way I am decorating my all the vegetables. After decorating my vegetables, now I am sticking these vegetables on a drawing sheet. I have taken the printouts of these vegetables, so my paper is very thin. So to make it stiff, I am just pasting these vegetables on drawing sheet for making them stiff. After pasting on white paper, I am just cutting the extra sheet of that white paper. Now I am making my vegetable puppets. For making my vegetable puppets, I am taking this wooden spoon, and for making the hair of this puppet, I am using this wool. So like this you can make your puppet, and in this way you can make the hairs of the puppet. With the help of the marker, I am just drawing the eyes and the nose of that puppet. So you can also make the puppets like this, and in the same way you can make all your puppets. If you don't have any wool or any thread for making their hairs, you can use marker for making their hairs. After drawing my face, I am just decorating my puppet with a bow. Like me, you can also decorate your puppets. for making this cabbage puppet, I have used this ice cream stick. I am just making hands and legs also. It's your wish. If you wish to make, you can make. So just like me, you can make. And here, see, my cabbage puppet is ready. So in this way you can make your vegetable puppets. Now I am waiting for your puppets. So let's go and make your own puppet. Stay safe, be happy. Bye bye. Love you all.